So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get infinity tokens in Piggy. So first of all, the hack has been eliminated. So I just have to show you how would you get tokens in Piggy. So you could also um have a complete guide here or a secret ticket to get tokens easily. So killing someone as previous or the trader, as you can see here, you could make this as a guide to get tokens easily, or you could search infinite tokens Piggy, and once you search that, you could you could you could see here in 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 Roblox that there is an infinite Piggy tokens here, March 10, 2024. You're the richest guy in the game without one Piggy token every second. So you just have to pay 500 Robux for you to get infinity or infinite Piggy tokens in Roblox, and that's it.